Hello everyone, my name is Nima, Safa, your Dubai real estate broker in Dubai. I was about to make a video about what I'm going to show you right now in next, but just Mani Khoshbin just explained it and made it very easy for me. Just check this video for a second and I'll get back to you.
So any general information on, investing in real estate, what would you recommend?
Buy low and sell high. Find a property you can add value, create equity and sell it.
Beautiful.
Simple.
That's it. That's exactly as simple as Mani Khoshbin just saying it. Guys, let me tell you this way. During the past 8 years of my experience in Dubai real estate market, during past 1.5 year experience in investing in Dubai real estate market, and based on the conversation I have on a daily basis with every successful real estate investors worldwide or in Dubai, all of them, they're saying the same formula and talking about it and following the same strategy. It's absolutely simple. You just need to find the right one, buy it in the right time, sell it in the right time, and during this period of time, find the way that you can get the best out of that property. If you want to know where are the properties that you can buy it low and then you can sell it high later, and how you can get the best return on investment during this period of time, just message me. I have very good options for you. I'm sure you will love to hear that. Ciao.